Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I am back with another recipe of how to make green fruit chaat. So let's get started. First of all, we need one diced mango, one apple chopped, some diced pineapple, some pomegranate, two chopped bananas, some grapes, 250 ml of fresh cream, 5 to 6 dates, 2 teaspoons sugar, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon black pepper powder. Now I'm taking a bowl and add cream, add black pepper powder, salt, sugar, chaat masala, and mix everything nicely. Then add bananas, add mango, apples, pineapples, adding grapes, and I've cut them into half like this. Add pomegranate, adding dates, and I've cut them like this as well. Mix everything well, and we're done. Take it out in a plate to present, and there you go. Your cream fruit chaat is ready. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment and share, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Take care.